it's so early. Wait. Well, looks like I have to start my video with my eye mask on because I always look so tired in the morning that I cannot show you my face. At least until after I shower. But good morning. Oh, wow, I'm tired. But anyways, that means, first of all, I have to get out of bed. Okay. And now I have to walk to my bathroom so I can get in the shower. Wait, I just realized I forgot to pick my outfit out, so I have to do that really fast before I shower. Okay, I'm trying to see where I'm walking. I got my outfit and now I'm going to shower. Okay, I got out of my shower. I put my hair up just so it'll like dry faster, but I still don't gonna let you see my eyes yet. Okay, fine, you can see my face now. But I just spent a long time blow drying my hair and now I just have to brush it out. And then I'm going to brush my teeth and like, yeah, all that stuff. Okay, that's looking better. Wow, I still look so tired on camera. But now I have to brush my teeth. Okay, now I'm gonna put on my favorite perfume at the moment. It's this one. It literally smells so good. Oh, I love it. That perfume always makes me sneeze though. All of them do. I mean, I just can't avoid it. Now I'm gonna put on a little bit of Vaseline. I can never go a day without this. Okay, now I'm going to go make my bed. Here's my bed all made, and now I'm gonna go down the hall to eat breakfast. Just recently, I kind of like invented like the best breakfast ever. Oh look, there's a bee on my window. I think he wants to be part of my morning routine. Anyways, the breakfast I invented is, first of all, you have to mash up a banana and then make a little bit of pancake mix, and then you mix it all up and it's the perfect amount for 2 pancakes. And then, you know, you make it, you put a little bit of chocolate chips and then some syrup, and it's so good. Now I gotta mash the banana. Gotta mash it real good. Okay, now that this is all mixed up, I know it looks kind of gross, but trust me, this is so good. I'm gonna put this in the pancake mix. Mix it up. It's gonna be tricky. Oh, there we go. I love orange juice. That's so good. I've been working on this recipe and I think I perfected it. Okay, I'm back in my room. That breakfast was super good. I'm nice and full now. So I'm gonna put on makeup because we're going somewhere very exciting today. But first, I'm gonna show you some art projects that I've been working on. These are my 2 most recent. You might have already seen this, maybe not, but it's a little kitten in a box with the tan paper. I thought it worked pretty good. And this is sequin lipstick lips. I don't really know what to call it, but it's self-explanatory. In my digital art, I just started working on this lynx last night. I also started working on this frog. That's the reference picture, and that's mine. I also just finished this cute little cheetah. Okay, I got my hair a little bit back. Now it's time to do my makeup, and I think I'm going to start with some cover up for under my eyes and that kind of stuff. So yeah, this is what I usually start with, and then I'll probably do eyeshadow. Okay, I'm just gonna put my hair all the way back for this because then there's no way it'll get in the way of me doing my makeup. There we go, that's better. And I'll show you guys some of the palettes I'm going to be using. I recently discovered that I still had these. I didn't know I did, but these are some palettes I'm going to be using. First, I'm going to start with a pink color because I think that'll look pretty. I usually do kind of pink tones whenever I do my makeup. Because you guys know me, I like pink. Okay, I know on the camera it looks super weird, but in the mirror it looks good. So I think it's just a camera thing, so just ignore that. But I'm working on my eyeliner, which is like super hard for me. And it always takes so long. Okay, I just turned this ring light on and I think it made the lighting a lot better. Although makeup, like whenever I do it, it always looks weird on camera anyway, so I'm just not gonna worry about that. But in the mirror it looks fine. So I just have to finish this eyeliner right here. Like I said, I always struggle with eyeliner. It's tough. Now it's time to do my mascara. This part is definitely not as hard as the eyeliner. But you know what? I think I'm gonna use the other one. Looks like I have some laundry to do, so I'm gonna get started on that. Well, that pretty much concludes my morning routine. You guys are gonna have to comment and tell me if you guys have anything similar to me that you do in the morning, or if you guys like this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!